Dumpster Rental Service, Carthage, Missouri. Need a dependable dumpster rental in Carthage, Missouri? S&E Dumpster and Hauling Solutions LLC has you covered. We specialize in providing top-notch dumpster rental solutions for residential, commercial, and construction projects. Whether you're cleaning out your home, tackling a renovation, or managing a construction site, we have the perfect dumpster for your needs. Our wide range of sizes ensures you can find the right one, whether you need a small 10-yard dumpster or a larger 20-yard container. At S&E Dumpster and Hauling Solutions LLC, we pride ourselves on fast, efficient service. Our team is committed to delivering your dumpster on time and picking it up promptly when you're done. We're here to make your cleanup easy, with no hidden fees and no stress. We cater to a variety of projects, from spring cleaning to large-scale construction debris removal. Serving Carthage and the surrounding areas, our team is dedicated to providing exceptional customer service every step of the way. Ready to get started? Give us a call today at 417-221-3776. We'll help you choose the right dumpster for your project and ensure the process is smooth and hassle-free. For dependable and affordable dumpster rental services in Carthage, Missouri, trust S&E Dumpster and Hauling Solutions LLC.